Good morning, students. Today in GK for class 8th, our topic is about Indian dances. So far, our book is concerned, there only five Indian classical dances are mentioned, but actually there are eight classical dances of India. So we will be discussing all the eight classical dances, but in your syllabus there are only five. I will be first mentioning those five. It is Kathakali, Kathak, Bharatnatyam, Manipuri, and Odissi. These are the five classical dances which are mentioned in your book. But so far, Sangeet Natak Academy is concerned, they have given eight classical dances of India. Natak Academy. Eight forms of classical dance are there in India. These are the eight forms of classical dances. So, firstly, before discussing about these classical dances, what is the aim of dance? The main aim of dance is realizing beauty with rhythm and harmony. Indian classical dances are appreciated worldwide through the world. So, here we'll be discussing first Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam. This classical dance from South India dates back to almost 2000 years. Somehow it is mentioned there 1000 BC. It is also considered as a fire dance. It consists of 6 to 8 parts: Alaripu, Ganapati, Vandana, Padam, Stoti, Thilana, etc. So, it is popular in South Indian states of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. The main equipments which are used in it is Miridangam. The next is Kathak. This is one of the eight forms of Indian classical dance. The name is derived from the Sanskrit word kath, meaning the art of storytelling. So we can say that in this classical dance, story is being told by the singer. Three major schools are Garnas are Banaras, Jaipur, and Lucknow. Nawab of Ud Wajali Shah was a great patron of this dance. Great prominent exponents are Birju Maharaj and Showana Narayan. The main equipment is used in this classical dance are pakhawaj, tabla, harmonium, sarangi, talam. Kumudini Lakhia is the famous dancer of this Kathak. Next is Kathakali. This type of dance was originated in Kerala during the 17th century. Again, it is in this type of dance, a story or a play is just like a story or a play. It is heavy, elaborated makeup and cosmetics. The person who is performing this dance is heavily elaborate makeup is there on him, and very rich costumes are being used for him. Mostly, the story of Ramayana or Mahabharata is being sung on in this type of dance. This it is a highly stylized, or you can say it is a highly stylized classical Indian dance drama, noted for bold makeup and elaborated costume. You can say most popular stories enacted are Nala Chara, Nala Charitam and Duryodhana Vandam. The equipments which are being used in this type of dance is Chanda, Madalam, Ilathalam. Famous exponents are Raman Keti Nair, Sadanan Krishna Kute. These are the famous exponents of Kathakali. Next is Kuchipudi. This Kuchipudi dance, it is also in Indian classical dance. but it is not in your syllabus. But here I want to tell you about something about this dance also. It is basically from Kuchipudi village, which is in Andhra Pradesh. In this, Hindu epics, legends, and mythological tales are being sung. It is pure dance, mime, and historicus. The main equipment is used in this type of dance is violin, veena, talam, and the famous dancer of this type of this dance is Koshalya Reddy. The next is a Manipuri dance. It is again in the 8 forms of dance, classical dance. It is in your syllabus. This dance form originates from the northeastern Indian states. The cult of Radhe Krishna, particularly Ras Leela, is the central theme. Ras Leela is the central theme. Dances usually incorporate kartal, manjira, and mridang. Movements of the dance are soft, subtle, and aim at devotion and grace. Famous exponents are Nayana, Ranjana Javeri, and Savita Mehta. The equipment is used in this type of dance is pong, cymbals, and Guru Bipan Singh is the famous dancer of this Manipuri dance. Next is Monihantam. This again not in your book, but it is in the 8 classical dances of India. Mohini meaning beautiful woman, and Atam meaning dance. Dance of a beautiful woman. The tradition of Devdasi system, the type of dance, it represents the Devdasi system. The equipment is used in this type of dance is Chanda, Elathalam, and the famous dancer of this dance is Jayaprabha Menon, Gopika Vama, Pala Lakshmi. The next is Odissi. Odissi is again in your book. The mention of this dance form was found in 1st century BC. We can say 2000 years ago this dance was originated in a classical treatise Natya Shastra. Its origin is Udaygir area in Odisha, 2000 years old. Famous exponents are Sanjukta Panigari, Sonal Man Singh. It is again Devdasi type. The main equipment is used in this Odissi dance are pakhavaj, tabla, harmonium, flute. Deva Prasad Das is the famous dancer of Odissi dance. Gangadhar Pradhan is also the famous dancer. Then there is Satriya. This is the it is again in 8 classical dance forms. It is not in your syllabus, but for your knowledge, Satriya, it is Vaishnava monastery. It is in Assam monasteries, basically mostly on religious. It is being started by Shankar Deva in 15th century AD. The equipment is used in this violin, cymbals. Jatin Goswami was a famous dancer. Anita Sharma also. So these are the total 8 classical dances of India, in which, so far your book is concerned, there are only 5. I will again repeat these 5: Kathakali, Kathak, Bharatnatyam, Manipuri, Odissi. These are the 5 classical dances which are in your syllabus. So total in classical dances are 8, but you have to prepare all 8 you can prepare, but 5 are in your syllabus. Thank you.